how to unlink PSN from Social Club. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unlink Social Club and PSN account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this, we will be unlinking PSN from Social Club. So open up your Social Club. Search for socialclub.rockstarsgames.com and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. This one. Then there you'll see the account drop-down option. Tap on it and choose the settings option. After you choose for that, you'll find the linked accounts option right here section. Tap on it and you will be right here. Now instead of the link account option, you'll find unlink account. It should be right here. So simply tap on unlink account and follow the prompt. You'll have to go through one or two prompts and it will be unlinked just like that. And it's that simple guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.